Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Thank you for joining us at the Soul Tribe for this quick and simple meditation, all about helping ease those periods of procrastination and help you to become more productive. Start by taking a comfortable seat, sat on a chair with your feet firmly on the ground, or perhaps on a mat or cushion with your legs crossed. Keep your back straight, your head, spine and tailbone all in alignment. Rest your hands on your knees gently, and lastly, close your eyes. Take the biggest breath you have all day. Inhale and exhale with a sigh. Inhale and exhale with a sigh. Keep repeating this as you settle in. Turning inward, concentrating on yourself, and making space for this moment in time. Breathing in and out, in and out, inhale and exhale. Let the calm wash over you. And if any thoughts have come into your head, imagine them as a balloon lost in the wind, floating by, leaving you just with your breath. Continue to breathe in and out. Inhale and exhale. Let the light in and release any worries. Chances are that you've clicked on this to help battle some periods of procrastination that you've been experiencing. This could be at work or at home. But either way, you're feeling a bit demotivated and have been finding it difficult to crack on with tasks and progress. Don't worry, we've all been there, struggling to get stuck into something and just get it done. But we've compiled some handy ways you can up your productivity and banish procrastination for good. Sometimes all it takes to get rid of procrastination is to get organised. The best way we can do this is carving out time in our calendars to dedicate to the task and sticking to it. This works in all areas of life. If you're swamped at work, list your tasks from urgent to low priority, and then book out half-hour chunks in your calendar throughout the week accordingly. Set reminders and dedicate these time slots to the task at hand. The key is to hold yourself accountable, to book it in and tick it off. Another step you can take is optimizing your environment. We've all done it, taking one look at our phone, and before we know it, we've been scrolling for half an hour. Place your phone in a drawer, click off your emails, and instead focus entirely on the one task you need to complete. The fewer distractions, the better. Breaking things down into manageable chunks can make tasks seem far less daunting. The Pomodoro technique was created in the 1980s by then university student Francesco Cirillo. Struggling to concentrate on his studies, he reached for a tomato-shaped kitchen timer — Pomodoro is Italian for tomato — and set himself the challenge of working uninterrupted for a set amount of time. The Pomodoro technique was born. The foundations are that one Pomodoro is 25 minutes. Set your timer for 25 minutes and focus on a single task for that amount of time. Once the time is up, take a 5-minute break. Repeat this process, and after 4 Pomodoros, take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. This technique can really help with focus and allows us to get stuff done efficiently, all while taking necessary breaks. And lastly, if you're struggling with getting started, don't be afraid to ask for help. Some tasks are better tackled by more than one person, and sometimes we need to remember to drop our pride and perfectionism in favour of progress. as this session comes to an end, gently bring your awareness back to the room around you, wiggling your fingers and toes. We really hope you found these tips for tackling procrastination helpful. If you have any further tips of your own, please leave them in the comments below. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. We look forward to welcoming you back to the Soul Tribe soon.